Hey, what's up, my friend? So, in today's episode, I want to share with you what you can expect in your first year of trading. So, for most of you watching or listening to this right now, you're probably new to trading for less than 12 months, not sure you know what to expect. So, let me break it down for you. Number one, expect confusion, right? In your first year of trading, you'll be bloody confused, right? There's so much technical, fundamental, and everything out there to learn about, right? You have technical analysis, RSI, MACD, chart patterns, candlestick patterns, price action trading, day trading, swing trading, trend following, blah blah blah. And you will be swarmed, you will be overwhelmed, you will be confused. So here's the thing, right? To help you sort of get out of this overwhelm of knowledge, is to first and foremost, define your goal for yourself. What do you want out of trading? What are your circumstances? For example, someone who wants to trade, right, to make, let's say, 10 to 15% a year without spending time, glued to the monitors, then they could probably, consider swing trading or position trading where they hold their trades for a few days to a few weeks or even a few months. So this is how you kind of, filter out, right, from all the noise out there. You first and foremost have to define your goals and the circumstance that you're in. Once you can define it, then you can find the right trading methodology, right, to suit your needs. All right. Second thing, you will face multiple blown up trading accounts, especially if you are dealing with leverage like margin trading, CFD trading, FX trading. There is leverage involved, and the problem with this is usually due to the lack of knowledge. You thought you just click buy, you enter a position size that you think is a nice round number, 10 lots, let's go on a $1,000 account. Then what happens is that you will end up blowing up your trading account because you don't understand how leverage works. So to fix this is very simple. All you need to do is understand risk management, understand position sizing. The math, it's not rocket science. I think it's pretty elementary math. Understand it, right, and you'll never blow up another trading account again. And I would say this is one of the most important things, right, to understand and apply in your first year of trading. Because once you nail this right, your risk management, once you nail it right, your subsequent years in trading, right, you shouldn't face another blown up accounts ever again, unless due to psychology and stuff like that. Okay. The third thing that you can expect is no consistency, right? Because in your first year of trading, you have no idea what you're doing. One moment you're day trading, next moment you're swing trading, next moment you're counter trend trading, all the different tools and indicators on your chart, right? One day it's RSI, next day it's chart patterns, following week is price action trading, then it's back to MACD. No consistency, okay? So the way to get consistency in your trading is first and foremost, right, approach trading as a business. Have a trading plan. So what this means, right, is that every time before you put on a trade, right, it has to meet your criteria. It has to follow your trading plan. So I mean, in this episode, we don't have a lot of time to explain what a trading plan is, but generally what a trading plan should tell you is under what market conditions, right, will you enter a trade, right? When do you enter a trade? How much risk do you put on a trade, right? If the market goes against you, where will you bail out of that losing trade? If the market moves in your favor, where will you exit your winners? This is what a trading plan entails. And once you have it in black and white, right, you can always refer to this trading plan before you put on the trade. And what's going to happen is that in the long run, you will get consistency in your trading, because when you follow your trading plan, which is a set of rules, okay, when your actions are consistent, you can't help, right, but to get consistent results. Okay, so that's how you get consistency in your trading. Number 4, in your first year of trading, you will think that trading is easy, right? Because you might get lucky, you put on a few trades and they're all winners, right? You made a few $100 here and there. Hey, trading is easy, man. What's Rayner talking about? Trading is just ka-ching, 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 right? And yeah, it will happen to you. It happened to me. It will happen to, I would say, all of you who's listening or watching this right now. Because there will be times where you get lucky and you have a few winning trades and you think you can quit your full-time job, trade full-time, and thinking that trading is easy, right? So that's the fourth thing that you can expect, right? That trading is easy. And then the next thing you realize is that after a series of losing trades, you'll think that trading is a scam. Where you have like 4 or 5 losers in a row. Man, the markets are rigged, man, the broker is against me, man, this is a scam. Okay, so be prepared for it as well, right? You might think that trading is a scam. And no, it's not a scam, because again, it's all about probabilities. Okay, so just imagine you have a coin in your hand right now, any coin. You know that there's a 50% chance it's going to come up head, 50% chance it's going to come up tails. And if you are free, if you want to do this exercise, toss the coin 100 times, right? Just take some time, go to an isolated room and toss the coin to yourself. But don't let people see what you're doing. They might think you're crazy. But if you do the exercise and you write down every outcome of each of the 100 coin toss, you'll realize some patterns, right? Like sometimes you might get 4 heads in a row. Sometimes you could get 5 or 6 tails in a row. And that shouldn't be a surprise to you because, again, you're dealing with probabilities down here. Just because you have a 50% chance of coming up heads doesn't mean that every time you toss a coin, it's going to be head, the next time it's going to be tail, then it's going to be back to head. No, it can be a series of heads, a series of tail. And it's the same as trading, right? If your trading strategy has a 50% winning rate, you will have a series of winners, a series of losers. This is something that you should expect, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much the 5 things, right, that you should expect, right? The 5 things you should expect in your first year of trading. And before you know it, your first trading year is over. And before you go, I just want to share one thing with you is that anything worthwhile in life pursuing, anything that you want to reap the rewards, right, you have to go through some hurdles, right? Nothing is being given to you on a silver platter unless you're born into a rich family, blah blah blah. Let's not go down that route, because for most of us, we're born in an average middle class family, maybe some of us even from a poor family, and really, to achieve anything worthwhile in life, you have to fight for it. It's like, think of it like a pyramid, right? In a pyramid, at the base of the pyramid, right, is where the most number of retail traders or people who are interested in trading, they will get involved in trading. But as time goes by, as the years goes by, you can see that the pyramid at the top, right, it gets slimmer and slimmer. So you can look at it, right, as as the years goes by, many traders will just drop out like flies, right? After blowing up a few accounts, they give up. After being confused by all the technical jargon, they give up. After not understanding risk management, they give up. So after a few years, right, there's only a handful of percentage of traders left in this business. And if you can persevere, if you can fight to the end, right, to get to the top of the pyramid, it will take time, it takes work, it's not easy. But if you get to the top, right, you realize that those obstacles that you go through, it's worth it, right? So this video is really to manage your expectations, to know what to expect in your first year of trading. We are all going to start at the bottom of the pyramid, and the only way to get to the top of the pyramid, to reap the rewards, right, is that you got to put in the hard work, right? You got to do the work, you got to endure, you got to persevere, you got to do the right things, right? The stuff that I just shared with you, those are the things that you should expect yourself to be doing, okay? And hopefully one day you get to near the top of the pyramid, you get to reap the rewards, and I'll be happy for you. So with that said, I wish you good luck and good trading. I will talk to you soon.